How to turn off shorts on YouTube. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open your YouTube app on your phone. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of shorts on YouTube. To disable them, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and tap on your profile, that is on the bottom right corner. Now tap on settings, that is on the top right corner. Here, go ahead to general. Now you want to scroll down to the bottom until you see playbacks in feeds. When you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now you want to select off. As you select it, the shorts on YouTube will be disabled. Now you want to go back and go to the home page of YouTube. Now you want to do not interested in all the shorts. For that, tap on three dots on the top right corner of the shorts, then tap on not interested. You want to do the same process on every reel that you see here. Then now when you go ahead and refresh your YouTube, shorts will disappear. So that is how you can turn off shorts on YouTube. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.